Men over 50, let me ask you something real. What if there were a single spot on your body that, when treated the right way, could send a rush of fresh blood to your most intimate areas, restore lost sensitivity, and help you wake up feeling more like your younger self? It's not on the shaft. It's not a gym muscle. And most men never think about it. Yet a simple routine with a common natural oil has helped many men regain confidence and steadier performance. Today, you'll discover where that spot is, why it matters, and how to use castor oil tonight to naturally support firmness. No pills, no complicated gadgets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to apply, how often, and what to expect over the next few weeks. The details truly matter, so stick with me, and if this topic speaks to you, subscribe and watch until the end, because a small habit can create a big change in confidence. Why things change after 50, and how to work with your body. An erection isn't just a moment of arousal. It's a coordinated event between your brain, hormones, nerves, pelvic muscles, and blood vessels. With time, vessels can lose some flexibility. They don't open as readily. Trapping blood is harder, and baseline testosterone may trend lower, affecting mood, energy, and tissue resilience. Tiny nerve endings that carry pleasure signals can become less responsive, so the same touch feels muted. And the pelvic floor, the deep, often ignored muscles that help keep blood in, may weaken or stay chronically tight, making firmness fade too soon. Here's the encouraging part. Even after 50, your body can adapt. When you target the right structures, vessels, nerves, muscles, you can support circulation, comfort, and control. A focused, low-effort practice can remind the system how to cooperate again. That's where castor oil becomes surprisingly useful. Not as a magic cure, but as a consistent, soothing input that helps create the conditions for better performance. Why castor oil? Comfort, circulation support, and calm. Castor oil is different from light cosmetic oils. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, giving it a thicker, velvety feel and a reputation for soothing irritated tissues and supporting local circulation. Applied externally, many people find it helps areas feel looser, warmer, and less tense. Great news for a pelvic region that's often tight or under-recovered. Think of castor oil as a comfort amplifier. It reduces surface friction, encourages relaxation in the tissues underneath, and helps create a calmer baseline so signals don't spike too fast. That calmer baseline is what many describe as less rushing, more control. Over time, a consistent routine can feel like you're reintroducing your body to a steadier pattern. Better buildup, steadier firmness, easier recovery. It's not about numbing, it's about smoothing and stabilizing sensation so you can actually enjoy it longer. The secret spot and exact application. Step by step. The target is the perineum, the soft area between the scrotum and the anus. Beneath this small patch run structures vital to performance, branches of the pudendal nerve, sensation and arousal, arteries feeding erectile tissue, blood in, and the bulbospongiosus muscle, helping keep blood in. Treating the perineum means you're addressing several levers at once. Here's the method. Prep. Clean hands and dry skin. Use pure, cold-pressed castor oil. Warm. A teaspoon is plenty. Warm it between your palms, or place the spoon in warm water briefly. Massage. Sit or lie comfortably. Apply to the perineum with slow circles for 2 to 3 minutes, then slightly firmer pressure for 2 to 4 minutes, enough to feel the layer beneath, never painful. Breathe slowly. On exhales, let the tissue let go. Optional boost. Place a warm compress, clean towel, warm water over the area for 10-15 minutes to encourage deeper absorption and a stronger warmth response. Timing. Evening is excellent. The body is unwinding and can absorb overnight. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes total, most days. This is a quiet, restorative ritual, not a rushed task. What to expect? Weeks 1 to 4. Plus simple boosters. Many men notice subtle changes within days. Gentle warmth, more aliveness, or a calmer, steadier feel during arousal. For others, improvements build over 2 to 4 weeks. More reliable morning firmness, better ability to maintain, less tension in the pelvic floor, and sometimes even better urinary control. These systems are connected. Remember, this isn't an instant artificial spike, it's a gradual reconditioning. Multiply results with 3 easy habits. Hydration, steady water intake, supports vascular function. Nitrates and healthy fats, leafy greens, beets, nitric oxide support, plus salmon, walnuts, extra virgin olive oil, tissue and hormone support. Mobility breaks, hip openers, gentle squats, and standing up every hour reduce pelvic congestion and tension. Optional. Properly performed pelvic floor work, not over-squeezing, can help hold blood more effectively. Keep stress in check. Slow breathing or a short evening walk can flip the body from tense to receptive. Safety notes. Use pure cold-pressed castor oil. Avoid broken, irritated skin. Patch test on the inner forearm if you're sensitive. If you have significant pelvic pain, sudden erectile changes, or cardiovascular concerns, consult your clinician, especially if you're on heart or blood pressure meds. This routine is supportive, not a substitute for medical care. If you're ready to start, choose a time tonight, follow the perineum routine for 5 to 10 minutes, and stick with it for 21-30 days. Track what changes: warmth, control, morning firmness, ease. Then keep what works. If this helped, subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who needs a hopeful, natural path back to confidence. Your body is more adaptable than you think. Give it the right input, and it often responds. I'm rooting for you.